We fall down because of sense gratification, because the senses do not have enough pleasure. But when they are in the service of Krishna, they are Sarvendriya Gunanjanam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Sarvendriya Gunanjanam. You see, Sarvendriya Gunanjanam. This is the perfect insurance, perfect assurance of making sure that the senses won't get trapped again. Everyone wants to satisfy their senses. So Lord Shiva is also saying, I also want my senses to be completely satisfied by seeing you and worshipping you. In that satisfaction, all the selfish satisfaction of the senses, as in sense gratification, becomes pale in comparison and becomes disgusting in comparison, becomes repelling in comparison. So there is no chance of falling down. We fall down because of sense gratification, because the senses do not have enough pleasure. But when they are in the service of Krishna, they are Sarvendriya Gunanjanam. The senses have become very pleased. That's why another name of Krishna is Govindam. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham. Giver of pleasure to the senses. The devotees do not worship the Lord so that their senses become happy. No. In fact, it is said that the gopis, they like to see Radha and Krishna together more than they themselves with Krishna together. And the assistant gopis want to see the gopis serve Radha and Krishna. They don't directly want to serve Radha and Krishna. You see how the mood is there. And they actually enjoy more pleasure than Radharani herself. Hundreds of times more pleasure than Radharani. The gopis, just by assisting Radharani to serve Krishna. That's why Radharani also wants to push the gopis to Krishna, so that she can have the pleasure of serving the devotees of Krishna. So the competition is otherwise in the spiritual world. Here the competition is how much I can become the best, or how much I can go closer to the best. But there in the spiritual world, how I can be more and more servant of the servant of the servant of the servant of Krishna. Not Krishna's direct servant. Now I am big time. I am Krishna's servant. No. I want to be small time, smallest time.